all those people that dragging Peter Obi, because Peter Obi said that they should release Mazen and Kanu, that Tinubu should obey the court order. And you people are dragging Peter Obi online, saying that Peter Obi, why Peter Obi will talk about Mazen and Kanu, why he will say, may they release Mazen and Kanu. So now what do you people they talk? The same country called Nigeria, then go less Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen that are slaughtering thousands of Christians, thousands of soldiers, thousands of people in Nigeria. They will release them, called the repentant Boko Haram. And you people is against Mazen and Kanu. Mazen and Kanu and Boko Haram, who is better? Mazen and Kanu and all these politicians in Abuja, who is innocent? All these politicians that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria. That is why this country will not be better. That is why this country will continue suffering. To be talk, make the release Mazen and Kanu now. All of you are dragging him on social media. Make una drag all these politicians that are releasing Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen, calling them repentant Boko Haram. Make una drag them. Ndi believe. Make una drag all these politicians that are sponsoring Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen in Nigeria. Ndi believe. Make una drag all these politicians that are say that is in support in Luga to give Fulani land and Boko Haram land in Nigeria. Make una drag them. Why they should give them? Why would you talk say make all the 36 states give them land? Make una drag them. Ndi believe. Tribalism everywhere. This country no go be better. This country will not be better. So when I want Peter Obi to insult Mazen and Kanu so that he will be innocent man to you people. And the Igbo people go to see him as a bad person. Now what you want? When I want make him speak against Mazen and Kanu so that Peter Obi will become a good man to you people.